Welcome back to my channel. This is the Working Home Boss, and I'm back with another job opportunity. I just want to say I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope you spent unlimited time with your family. I hope you didn't eat too much. I hope the food was good and all of those things. So today we're back with another job opportunity. This is with the company Results CX, and they are hiring for a bilingual Spanish healthcare representative. So these positions are remote, and they're hiring for the states of Florida, North Carolina, and Texas. So we're going to click on the one that's in Florida because that is where I reside. And the job description is, does helping people in two languages feels twice as good? So you would apply for this job to find out. And it says their seasonal healthcare agents help Result CX customers with a wide range of healthcare related inquiries in both English and Spanish. Calls will include, but are not limited to, questions about current healthcare insurance policies or benefit cards, requests to update personal information on accounts, support completing orders, and more. And they handle both inbound and outbound campaigns to inform their customers about changes that may affect them. So this seasonal opportunity is expected to last until January 31st of 2024. I'm assuming this is a typo because this company is always hiring. So this is a seasonal position up until next year. Like I said, I'm assuming it's supposed to be 2024, considering that we're already in 2023. So what should I bring? Hold on, you guys. What should I bring to the interview? So for education, you will need a high school diploma or GED. You need to be fluent in English and Spanish, ability to type 25 words per minute. Technical proficiency, this position requires you to toggle back and forth between multiple systems while communicating with your customer. And you will need to have intermediate or advanced technical proficiency. So to make the toggling easy, I would recommend getting a dual monitor. So that way you can put one window on one screen and have a couple on your other screen. So it'll make it easier to toggle between different screens. Okay, so you will need an open availability between 8 a.m. and 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 7 days a week. And the pay expectation will be $13 an hour in training. Okay. So nothing compares to my home office. Can I work from home? So to work virtual in your home, you would need a PC or a laptop running Windows 10 operating system. You would need high-speed internet, ability to connect directly to the internet service provider, modem with the Ethernet cable, 2 dedicated computer monitors, which I've already suggested, voice over internet protocol USB headset with microphone and webcam for training, a dedicated quiet workspace, and additional equipment specifications will be tested during the interviewing process. All right. So if you're interested in this position, again, it pays $13 per hour. I will link it down in the description below. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a job opportunity, and boss is out.